This is another native species that is the purple coneflower. And this one is native, but this one is more of a woodland edge species and traditionally wasn't in prairies, but it does well in prairie seeding mixes. The prairie species that we have is pale purple coneflower, and it's just looks pretty similar, except the petals on that droop down a little bit more and more, or paler. But this one's a really good one for landscaping and grows really well in shade and partial sun. And the pale coneflower does well in full sun. Right behind it, we have this autumn olive that is non-native. So this one is a species that we don't want. So this would be something that you would see me out along the roadside spraying or mowing down, because this is something we don't want in our prairies.